Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small components during the process. Start by powering off your Asus Vivobook completely and unplugging it from any power source. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the bottom panel. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the bottom cover of the laptop. Be careful to avoid damaging any internal components. After successfully removing the cover, you'll have access to the internal workings of your laptop. Now, locate the screen connector. You may need to disconnect the battery first for safety. To do this, gently disconnect the battery cable by pulling it straight out. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while handling the screen. With the battery disconnected, locate the screen's video cable. Carefully detach it from the motherboard. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with this process, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure your device is handled correctly. Next, remove the screws securing the screen to the hinges. There are usually 4 screws, 2 on each side. Carefully lift the screen from the hinges, ensuring not to put any stress on the video cable. Once the old screen is removed, take the new screen and align it with the hinges. Before securing it, reconnect the video cable to the motherboard. Double-check the connection to ensure it is secure. Now, reattach the screen by replacing the screws you previously removed. Once the screen is securely in place, reconnect the battery cable. This is a good time to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air, ensuring optimal performance. After cleaning, replace the bottom cover by aligning it with the base of the laptop and gently pressing down. Replace the screws to secure the cover back in place. Finally, power on your Asus Vivobook to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, you've successfully completed the screen replacement. For those who prefer convenience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to worry about transportation. Plus, we can give you a quote before any repair, ensuring no surprises. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.